Welcome, Internet enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of Chrome extensions, uncovering the 10 absolute must-haves that will transform your browsing experience. Whether you're a productivity guru or a creative mind, there's something for everyone. So, let's jump right in. 10 best Chrome extensions. Extension 1, the Productivity Wizard. First up on our list is Productivity Wizard. Say goodbye to procrastination and hello to focused work sessions. This extension helps you block distracting websites, set timers for focused intervals, and even provides insightful analytics on your browsing habits. Boost your productivity in just a click. Extension 2, Creative Canvas. Calling all creative minds, Creative Canvas is here to elevate your artistic endeavors. Turn your browser into a canvas for inspiration. Doodle, sketch, and annotate directly on web pages. It's like having a digital sketchpad wherever you go. Unleash your creativity with Creative Canvas. Extension 3, Security Sentinel. Safeguard your online journey with Security Sentinel. In a world full of cyber threats, this extension acts as your digital shield. It scans websites for potential risks, warns you of malicious links, and ensures a secure browsing environment. Your safety is our priority. Install Security Sentinel today. Extension 4, Newsflash. Stay informed with Newsflash. This extension brings the latest headlines directly to your browser's new tab. Customize your news feed, stay updated on your interests, and never miss a breaking story. It's the news you want, right at your fingertips. Extension 5, Tab Tamer. Tame your tab chaos with Tab Tamer. If you're a tab hoarder, this one's for you. Organize, group, and manage your tabs effortlessly. Wave goodbye to tab overload and hello to a clutter-free browsing experience. Let's bring some order to the chaos. Before we continue our exploration of amazing Chrome extensions, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, click the notification bell to stay updated on our latest tech tips and tricks. Now, back to our top 10 Chrome extensions. Extension 6, Language Learner's Haven. Bonjour, hola, ciao. Language Learner's Haven is your language companion on the web. Learn new words, translate entire paragraphs, and practice pronunciation, all within your browser. Expand your linguistic horizons with this language lover's dream extension. Extension 7, Dark Mode Delight. Embrace the darkness with Dark Mode Delight. Activate dark mode on any website with a single click. Not only does it reduce eye strain during late-night browsing sessions, but it also adds a touch of elegance to your favorite sites. Let the darkness soothe your browsing experience. Extension 8, Social Media Manager. Take control of your social media with Social Media Manager. Schedule posts, track analytics, and manage multiple accounts seamlessly. It's the ultimate tool for social media enthusiasts and professionals alike. Say goodbye to the hassle of manual posting. Let Social Media Manager do the work for you. Extension 9, Autofill Ace. Speed up your online forms with Autofill Ace. Tired of entering the same information repeatedly? This extension autofills forms with your saved data, making online shopping and registrations a breeze. Save time and eliminate the monotony of filling out forms. Let Autofill Ace handle it for you. Extension 10, Focus Flow. Wrap up your browsing experience on a Zen note with Focus Flow. This extension transforms your new tab into a calming space. Set goals, jot down thoughts, and enjoy serene background visuals. It's the perfect way to end your online journey on a positive and focused note. And there you have it, folks, the 10 best Chrome extensions to supercharge your browsing experience. Which one are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your fellow internet enthusiasts, and subscribe for more tech insights. Connect us via social media. Contact us via call or website. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.